Okay, so you got a problem with your camper fridge freezer, and generally what happens is sediment blocks the tubes where the gases are. So the only way around it, as far as I can work out, is to take your fridge freezer out and literally roll it. If you roll it, you'll circulate the gas and separate what air is inside it. And tip it right upside down and right way up. You have to wait, if you listen very carefully. I'll show you in a minute. Wait for the bubbles to finish. And you hear it. And then tip it back. Do this 3 or 4 times. Right way up, long way up. Just be careful of the control panel at the top because it's very weak. Fine. You can hear the bubbles. And you just keep on doing this. Like I say, 3 or 4 times. It just seems to clear the sediment out of the tubes. And then once you've done that, you need to leave it. Don't plug it straight back in again. Leave it settle for about 2 hours before you turn it back on again. And then your jobs are good, and I hope it helps.